In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add an Instagram profile or Facebook profile to Meta Account Center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app or Instagram app. I'm just gonna open up Instagram. Then go to your profile, hit add 3 lines and select settings. On settings, just scroll down until you find Accounts Center, just tap on it, and that's where you can manage your Facebook and Instagram profiles. You can tap Add Accounts to see all your Facebook and Instagram accounts. As you can see, I got 3 different accounts here. That 2 accounts are combined into profile, so you can open up your profiles. That is my main profile, which includes Facebook and Instagram, and that is my second Instagram account. So in order to add new accounts, you can hit right here at profiles on add accounts, or you can tap add accounts and then hit on add accounts. After that, it will ask you to use Instagram.com to sign in. Hit add continue. It will open up Instagram.com, where you should enter your phone number, username, or email address in the first field and your account's password in the second. After that, just hit add login. And then your account will be added to the account center. The same about Facebook. So you can open up Facebook app, then hit add menu, then hit add gear icon, and scroll down until you find Account Center. That will open up the same account center. You can tap add accounts, and that's where you can tap on add accounts. That will open up the same Instagram.com, where you can log into your account, and that will be added to your account center. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook and Instagram tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.